So sometimes you will be required to divide with decimal remainders. So we're going to have a look at an example here. This will be when a number will not go into a number exactly. Obviously, you can divide with a remainder. You can divide and have a fraction, a mixed number answer. But more commonly, you will be dividing to give yourself a decimal answer. So if we look at our example here, we have 526 divided by 8. So if we put that into a bus stop, 526 divided by 8, and we are going to now divide 8 into 5 will not go, carry the 5. 8 will divide into 52 6 times, and 6 times 8 is 48, so you have a remainder of 4. And 8 will divide into 46 5 times, and we have a remainder of 6. Now, we need to put a decimal point in here and a decimal point also on the answer line. We can add zeros after the decimal point because it does not affect the value of the original number. 526 is the same as 526.00, but we now have somewhere to carry this 6 to. So if I carry the 6 over, 8 will go into 60 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56, and that will give us a remainder of 4, which we can carry over onto the second 0, and 8 will go into 45 times, and that will give us the answer of 65.75. Now, for the 11 plus, you generally won't need to divide more than maybe 3, maximum 4 decimal places, and generally it will be a finite decimal, so it will be a decimal that will come to an end rather than a recurring decimal. So that would be how you do that there. I'm going to show you the long division method as well, because I know different people use different methods. So this is kind of your regular bus stop short division, and we'll look at how we would do the same sum using long division. So again, we would start off with 526 and 8 on the outside. 8 will not go into 5. 8 goes into 52 6 times. 6 times 8 is 48. If we subtract that from 52, we are left with 4. We then bring down the 6. 8 goes into 46 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract that from the 46, and we're left with a remainder of 6. And we would still need to put our decimal point in here and here and add our zeros. We can now bring down the first 0, and we have 60. 8 will go into 67 times. 7 times 8 is 56. Take that away. 60 take away 56 will give you 4. Bring down the other 0. 8 will go into 45 times. 5 times 8 is 40. Take 40 away from 40, you are left with 0. You've come to the end of your sum. Exactly the same answer, just a different method.